Fabrizio UV lamp, pigment checker, turn off the lights, turn on Fabrizio UV lamp. This is fluorescence in the visible spectral range. What about fluorescence in the invisible infrared spectral range? Let's measure this infrared fluorescence with the Gorgias Infrared Fluorescence Spectroscopy KIT. We use the infrared probe and we put into the fiber optic. With this probe that just allows infrared light, infrared radiation, we are ready to measure the infrared fluorescence of the pigments, and so we are able to identify them by their infrared fluorescence spectroscopy. Let's start with cadmium red. Turn off the lights, turn on Fabrizio UV lamp, and we go with the probe over cadmium red that is over here. And we see it doesn't have any visible fluorescence, but it has fluorescence in the infrared. So we apply our probe 1 centimeter from the surface and we go on the spectrometer to measure it. The probe is on cadmium red and we start to see the peak of the fluorescence emission of cadmium red, which is centered at about 800 nanometer. Some other pigments, such as Egyptian blue, need a source of just visible light, such as our Alice IRF lamp. We put the lamp over here and we shine it toward Egyptian blue. We measure, as usual, 1 centimeter from the probe and we see the fluorescence spectrum of Egyptian blue that has a maximum at about 900 nanometers.